Subscribe to get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Today let's see how to make a very interesting and a popular street food of Lahore called the Lahori chicken. I have taken a kg of chicken which I'm going to marinate with a tablespoon of garlic paste for about an hour. Let's keep this aside for an hour. It's been an hour that we had kept the chicken to marinate, and now let's prepare the curry. For that, I'm going to heat 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil gets hot, fry this chicken for 2 to 3 minutes on a high flame. Now I'm going to add a tablespoon of ginger paste and 3 green chilies that I have finely chopped. Just saute it till the raw smell goes off. Now let's add paste of 1 large onion. And we'll saute this further for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now let's add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a tablespoon of red chilli powder. Saute it for a minute. I've kept the flame on a high. Now I'm going to add 3 tomatoes that I've finely chopped. Saute this as well till the tomatoes are nice, soft and mushy. As you can see, the oil has separated. Now let's add half a cup of beaten curd to this. All this while the flame was on a high. Now I'm going to put it on a medium because we don't want the curd to curdle. I'm going to saute this for another 3 to 4 minutes. You can see the lovely layer of oil that's forming on the curry. Let's add some salt to taste. A teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. A heaped teaspoon of coriander seed powder. Mix this really well. I'm going to add a cup of water to this now. Now let's cover and cook the chicken till it's done. We'd covered the chicken and let it cook for almost 10 minutes and the chicken is done. Let's add a tablespoon of finely chopped fresh coriander leaves and some finely chopped fresh mint leaves. Mix this curry well. And now let's remove it in a serving bowl. I'm going to garnish this with some finely chopped green chilies. And our Lahori chicken is ready to be served. At my home, usually we have this curry by dunking in bread or garma garam crispy parathas. So do try this recipe and let me know. For such interesting recipes, keep watching Get Curried.